Shiba Inu, what's happening? Is this the end? Is it all over? Stay tuned, because in this video I'm going to show you something that's going to open your eyes to what could be happening in the background for all the Shiba Inu holders and how this could go to the moon. I'm also going to be sharing with you some hot coins and tokens that are on the market right now, and I've also got an amazing passive income. So if you like this type of content, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, click the bell notification so you get notified when I upload a new video, and let's get stuck in. Well, first off, I want to take you to the chart here of Shiba Inu. And as you can see, looking at the chart, from that all-time high, and I've marked that as a resistance, we've had this real pullback. Some people are saying, is this the end for Shiba Inu? Of course not. Shiba Inu is a great project. There's a lot of potential for the upside. As you can see here, I've marked the resistance, which was the all-time high. So I'd love to see us break that. Coming down to the bottom of the chart, I've got a support line here, which is the previous all-time high before this breakout finished. And then I've got this bear support. And I said in my one of my previous videos, if Shiba Inu drops below this line here, I would think about selling some of my holding. But as you can see, we touched that, we bounced off it, so that's good. And we've now come back up to this support level here. Now, have we got a bull flag forming here? You've got the pole of the flag here, and then you've actually, and if I get a draw, just to show you, if I draw a trend line, and I come in there like that, is this the signs, you see, because we're in this channel at the moment, so is this the sign of a bull flag? We're hanging around this lower support level, okay, which was a previous all-time high, so we've not really dropped below that. We've gone down, we've tested down here, we've bounced back up. Now, we seem to be hanging around. We're going this sideways movement, and I think we've got the potential of a bull flag here, but we've also got some stuff to back that up. I want to show you a wallet that made a transaction. It moved some coins, some Shiba Inu coins from crypto.com. Can you see here, crypto.com? And there was $1.3 billion worth of Shiba Inu coins moved. 20 trillion coins. Unbelievable. Now, could this be Robinhood? Could this be Kraken? Because any exchange that wants to list a cryptocurrency, they have to have a holding of that coin, because otherwise they wouldn't be able to do the trades for you. So they hold a large amount of that. Now, this could be a whale that bought in the early stages, but you can investigate these wallets. I'll leave the link for this, but you can let me know what you find out. I think this is an exchange. This wasn't bought recently. This has been bought over a period of time. And if you look at this wallet and you go and investigate it, you'll see that the transactions are equal. Every transaction is equal. Now, what exchanges tend to do is they do things off exchange. So they do this privately amongst themselves. A sum of money is sent from one exchange to another, and the receiving exchange sends over the coins that the second exchange wants to buy. I think this is a very bullish signal for Shiba Inu, because I believe this is either Kraken, because Kraken have come out publicly and said that they're going to be listing Shiba Inu, but they haven't done it, and Robinhood have been keeping quiet. But I think it's one of those two exchanges. And because Kraken and Robinhood are both regulated by the United States, they've got to make sure that all the ducks are in a row, all the boxes are ticked. And unfortunately, on CoinMarketCap, if you go to CoinMarketCap, they're showing some wrong data on here about circulation of coins. CoinMarketCap have said they're going to correct it. They've admitted that they've made a mistake, but they haven't corrected it as yet. So it could be that Robinhood and Kraken are waiting for that data to be updated, and then I think we're going to see either Kraken or Robinhood are actually going to list Shiba Inu. Very exciting space. So if you're thinking about looking at Shiba Inu, this is a great time to come in and buy. It really is. This is a great time for you to get into Shiba Inu. Next coin I think should be on your radar is Hex. It's a great time to buy. There's a big pullback come back in Hex at the moment. It's down to 16 cents. This has been up as high as 40 cents, so I think it's a great time. Anybody looking at this coin should be getting in now. I've got a large holding of Hex, and I'm going to be buying some more very, very soon. Now, another coin that I think should be on your radar is, I think you could, Ardian, I don't know how you pronounce it. which is it's on the Cardano ecosystem. Definitely worth looking at. It's just gone through the ICO stage, which is the initial coin offering. So you can't actually buy it yet in public, unless you was in that initial buying program. But once this coin becomes available, definitely look at this coin. You can click on there, come over to CoinMarketCap. I'll leave the link below and check the coin out. Go over to the website, check it out, read the white paper, do your own due diligence. Everything in this video, none of it's financial advice. You should always do your own due diligence. But these are things that are on my radar. Now, if you want to find new coins on the market, if you come to CoinMarketCap and you come down here to recently added and you look at all, you get all these coins. And look, if they're all pumping at the moment, I'm not saying you go in and buy these coins or anything like that, but this is where I choose new coins from. And I've just bought this coin, and I only bought $25 worth of this coin, and I've already doubled my money. So I've taken out my principal, and what I will wait now to see how this coin does. Whether I buy any more, that's another thing. But I should maybe make $300-400 out of this. Whenever you're trading these new coins, they're going to go to zero, most of them, at some point. So you get in, you take a little bit of profit, and you get back out again. And you can be doing that on a regular basis. But if it's passive income that you're really interested in, stay watching, because I've got a fantastic passive income for you coming right up. Now, if you're really looking for a low-risk passive income, well, then you want to head over to Johnny Blockchain. So here we are on Johnny Blockchain's website. Now, I'm the CEO of this company, and I want to just tell you a little bit about Johnny Blockchain before we get into the passive income side of it. As you can see here, it says, make your portfolio profitable for you. Now, what does that actually mean? Well, it means that you can manage your cryptocurrency portfolio all inside Johnny Blockchain. You can add your exchanges, add your wallets, and so you can manage your cryptocurrency, and you can also use Johnny Blockchain to find you arbitrage trades and carry out buy and sell of any cryptocurrency that you wish. Now, on the passive side of it is we've got two smart contracts that are run here. We've got a Tron one and we've got a BUSD one. Now, each of these contracts run independently, and they pay a passive income. So if we look at the top here, we've got the average daily return over the last 30 days. For the Tron smart contract, it's 0.48% per day, and for the BUSD smart contract, it's 0.77% per day. That's 7 days a week. Johnny Blockchain pays out every day, and there's earnings to be earned every day, 7 days a week. Once you get to the minimum earnings, it's paid directly into your wallet. With Tron, you need to get to a minimum earnings of 100 Tron, which is about $8. Once you've earned $8, that will get transferred directly to your wallet. With the BUSD, once you've earned 10 BUSD, which is about $10, that's paid directly to your Binance wallet. So let's have a look on the inside of Johnny Blockchain before we dive into a bit deeper into the passive income. Well, if we look across the top here, we got My Tools, and you've got a Getting Started section. Obviously, on the Getting Started, you're going to have lots of videos on there on how to use the system. But basically, you can manage your portfolio. You can connect your exchanges so that they will show up in the portfolio there. And if I go over to the My Portfolio, you'll see once you get on this screen, at the top, you've got an estimated value in Bitcoin of all your assets, and you've got an estimated value of what that is worth in dollars. And if we go across here, we've got the exchange on the left hand side, the Bitcoin value of that you hold on that exchange, the dollar value that you hold on that exchange. Now, let's just say that you wanted to liquidate, say Bitcoin. If you was holding Bitcoin on this exchange, it would show you in this liquidate column, is there a better exchange or a better place for you to exchange your Bitcoin to get more dollars, which is what it's all about. Also, it shows you with your existing holding of coins, it shows you if there's any arbitrage trades available with another exchange. And then this one, the SEA, is the same exchange arbitrage, and if there was a number in there, it means that an arbitrage can be done on the same exchange, so the coins wouldn't have to be moved, or the fiat currency wouldn't have to be moved outside of that exchange. Then if we come up to the top to the trade, you've got a buy and sell here where you can actually buy and sell crypto without having to log into the exchange to do it. Providing you've connected your API keys, you can do that there. And then we've got the arbitrage section. That brings me to this page, and if I click find best trades, Johnny Blockchain goes out and finds all the arbitrage trades available. So here, if we look down the left hand side, it tells you the fiat currency. This is a fiat currency. We've got crypto one-way routes, and we've got crypto circular routes. But on this fiat routes here, as you can see, there's a $1 there, and it's saying if you've got $800 sitting on this exchange here, there's a chance for you to increase it by 5% by doing one trade. Now, you can either get the robot to do the trade, Johnny Blockchain's robot to do the trade, or you can do the trade manually yourself. Now, to use Johnny Blockchain, whether you want to add exchanges or whether you want to carry out arbitrage trades, you need to buy Johnny Blockchain credits. And as you can see here, the Johnny Blockchain credits, if you wanted the robot to do the trade for you, so if you were doing this trade here and you wanted the robot to do it, it's going to cost you 2 credits. And if you want to do the trade manually yourself, well, then you can get access to all the details of that trade for just 1 credit. Now, there's something that's unique that happens once you buy your credits. You can buy your credits with either Tron via our smart contract, or you can buy your credits with BUSD. And if I come up to the top here and I go down to smart contract, this would be the screen where you actually buy your credits. Now, your credits, when you purchase your credits, if you were going to buy them through the Tron smart contract, so you had a bunch of Tron, you said, well, I'm going to use that, you can buy a minimum of 3 credits using Tron, which is 100 Tron. So if I pop in there, that's going to get you 3 credits. Now, the great thing that happens, you get the credits after the purchase has gone through, you get the credits. But the fantastic thing that happens is that the 100 Tron that you spent, you will get a return until that reaches 125. So you're getting 125% return. So you're getting your principal back, what you purchased the credits with, plus 25% profit. So Johnny Blockchain is actually paying you to use the system. And the same is with the BUSD smart contract. If you decide to buy credits using BUSD, once you buy the credits are added to your Johnny Blockchain account, and you can use those on the sites as you wish. But once you buy those credits, you're entered into the BUSD smart contract, which gives you a passive income, gives you a daily income until you get to 125%. If you look here, I've got 1 deposit here because this is just my test account, and you see you put in 100 Tron, and so far this account has had back 20 Tron. So once this gets to 125, this particular contract would be closed. You'd still have the Johnny Blockchain credits, you can have as many deposits as you like. Some people are compounding as they get their daily earnings, they're making more deposits. Now, if you're interested in Johnny Blockchain, then what do you need to do? Well, below this video you're going to find a link that will bring you over to the home page here, and you'll see a registration button. Click that, and you can either go via the Tron smart contract or via the BUSD smart contract. Both of these are giving you a daily passive return. As you can see, the average daily return over the last 30 days is just under 0.5% a day for the Tron one, and just under 1% a day for the BUSD one. Fantastic little passive income, great little system. Click the link below and check it out, and feel free to ask me any questions you've got in the comments. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.